Few realize that even the most advanced fiber optic networks can be brought to their knees by a single speck of dust. Static draws dust onto the connector end faces just like a magnet. Dust obstructs the signal's path, blocking the light being transmitted along the fiber. We know this as insertion loss. Dust and debris in the contact zone of the mated connection can create a gap between the end faces. This causes back reflection and can lead to scratches and pits on the end face, which degrades network performance. There is one other problem with dust. One end face can contaminate another. You will cross-contaminate both connectors if you don't clean both connectors before mating. But why is all this dust on the end face anyway? Wiping an end face with a dry wipe generates a static charge. But because that static charge has no place to go, the charge can stay on the end face for a long time. Even if the contact zone initially is clean, static can cause dust to move from the outer zones into the contact zone. Some operators try wiping with IPA, but alcohol often leaves residues. What can you do to protect your network? Not to worry, Sticklers fiber optic cleaners succeed where others fail. The heart of the Sticklers magic is a fast-drying, non-flammable, residue-free cleaning fluid. This fluid is electrically conductive. It dissipates any static created during cleaning. When cleaning ports, dampen the cleaning stick, insert it into the connector, and rotate it. Again, the fluid prevents static charges from being created on the end face. Are you ready to eliminate the problems static and dust can pose to your fiber? Then call, email, or visit us online today